Welcome to Playbot. In this video, we'll delve into the process of setting up an out-of-office message within Playbot. To initiate this setup, head over to the automation menu situated within the dashboard and proceed to select the Out-of-Office tab. Out-of-office messages serve as vital tools for managing user expectations. This is a predefined message that is automatically sent to users when a business is unavailable to respond to messages. This message is triggered when a user sends a message to the business outside of its operating hours or during periods when the business is unable to respond immediately. Out-of-office messages help manage user expectations and provide information on when users can expect a response from the business. They are an essential feature for maintaining professional communication and managing customer inquiries effectively. Now, let's delve into the detailed steps of configuring the out-of-office message feature within Playbot. Firstly, it's essential to establish the working hours of your business. By default, Playbot may pre-fill the standard working days, Monday to Friday, and operating hours, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. However, you have the flexibility to customize these settings based on the specific operational requirements of your business. Playbot allows you to tailor the schedule accordingly, whether you need to extend the working hours on certain days. In my case, our working hours will be from Monday to Tuesday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., while for the rest of the days, it will be from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you wish to include weekends, you can configure it accordingly. However, I work only half a day on Saturday, so I've set it up until 1 p.m. Unfortunately, I'm off on Sundays, so I've deleted Sunday from the schedule. Once the working hours are configured, a confirmation notification will be displayed here. That's it. Subsequently, activate the out-of-office feature and select the appropriate WhatsApp bot to engage with customers during your absence. For instance, you can opt for an event planner bot to seamlessly interact with users and gather relevant information in your absence. With the setup completed, now, let's see how it works. Navigate to the inbox and wait for any user messages. Here comes one from Davis. Our setup bot will now trigger. Excellent! The bot has successfully gathered all the information from Davis regarding his event. Great! This demonstrates how Playbot assists in capturing leads even when we're out of the office. Thank you! Happy automating with Playbot!